here it is. Got my fuel tank welded up today. I did it myself. And yeah, I mean, the paint really covers her up. Oh, the horrible welding I did. This is probably my third time welding. You know, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, and I didn't really bother cleaning them up afterwards either, because I knew it was gonna be hidden underneath a tank. You're not gonna see it too easily, especially these back here. The seat's gonna be covering it all up. But they are very strong. And it's just 7/8 tubing, same thing as the mini bike chassis is made out of. And the little rubber bushings are like the cheap hand grips that you get off of Amazon that come in all those kits. I just use those as bushings to help kind of cushion the tank against the metal, and it reduces sound, whatever kind of noise this is going to make. That is pretty much the biggest I can get on there. There, I'll show the turning. You see how close that is from hitting the tank. Same thing over here. Whoa. That too is pretty close. It's pretty much as big as I can get with a fuel tank right there. I don't think I need to go anything bigger. I mean, anything bigger is going to look just ridiculous looking on this bike. I know I could have put a tank right here, but the engine has to go forward to tension the chain back here. This tank is about twice the size, maybe a little bit more than the tank I had on here previously, that black one. And that little black tank would last me about 45 minutes. And then I would have to refuel it. So not long enough. So this one will definitely last me up to 2 hours probably. And I think it looks good on there. It's got a good proportion size to it. It's not too hideously bad looking. Alrighty, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more mini bike junk content like this. My name is Elijah, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.